Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How you doing? I hope just great, and I hope my video made you a great time. Okay, now we will discuss about the prepositions in, on, and at. Are you ready for this? Come on, let's go. Preposition in, on, and at to indicate location or time in English. Okay, now we spell one by one. The first is in. Typically denotes being, indicates a space or within a period of time. For example, in a house, in a box, in July. Now, on. On usually signifies the state of being on the surface or in contact with something. For example, on the table, on the wall, on Monday. And now at is usually used to specify, to explain the point of location. For example, at the bar, at the bus stop, or at 3 o'clock. Just remember, the choice between them, in, on, and at, is dependent on the context of the conversation. To get more clear about these explanations about preposition in, on, and at, well, let's check out this video.
Consider the preposition in. This is generally used for something enclosed or surrounded. Imagine you're in a box, in a room, or in a country. For instance, you could say, I live in Spain, or I found my keys in the drawer. Time-wise, in is used for months, years, centuries, and long periods. I was born in March, or the Renaissance started in the 14th century. Next, let's explore on. On usually refers to a surface or something that is a part of a line or path. You might be on the floor, on the wall, or on a river. For example, the painting hangs on the wall, or London is on the River Thames. When speaking about time, on is used for days and dates. I have a meeting on Monday, or my birthday is on the 23rd of July. Lastly, we have at. At is used for a specific point or place. This could be at the corner, at the door, or at the end of the road. For instance, I'll meet you at the cinema, or there's a lovely cafe at the end of the street. When it comes to time, at is used for precise moments. The train arrives at noon, or the show starts at 8 p.m. To wrap it all up, remember these key points. Use in when something is enclosed or surrounded, or when speaking about months, years, centuries, and long periods. Use on when referring to surfaces or parts of a line or path, or when speaking about days and dates, and use at for specific points or places, or for precise moments in time. Mastering these prepositions will significantly improve your English fluency. It's not about memorizing rules, but understanding the logic behind them. And remember, practice makes perfect. So why not start using in, on, and at more consciously in your daily conversations? You'll be amazed at how quickly you'll get the hang of it. English, with its quirks and exceptions, might seem like a daunting language to learn. But with patience, practice, and a keen eye for detail, you'll find yourself navigating the language with ease. Happy learning!
I think that. I hope you understand about the difference between in, on, and at, and we can apply it in our daily conversations. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.